Hi everyone, welcome back to another unboxing test video. For today's video, we are looking at the C60Q 80 watt power station by G-Power. Okay, let's go over a couple features. First, they give you a user manual. Then you have a nice breathable mesh carrying bag. They give you a Type-C to Type-C power cable. We take a look underneath. This has a built-in cooling fan, so if the battery gets overheated, it will cool itself. And that fan, you may not be able to see it, but the lip is lifted off of the table, so it's enough to breathe in and let the air flow out. Looking around, it has a really nice smooth finish with a battery display right there. Of course, on the back, you guys can pause it that you can see some more information. If we take a look on the top, we see there is an AC output. It is grounded. You can use a grounded cable. You have your power button, USB-C, and a USB port. Let's see. Okay, if you press the button, the battery indicator lights up. Okay, and it looks like for power, you would press it and hold it. Yes. Let's see if you press and hold to turn it off. Yes. So you press the power button just to see the battery level, and then you press and hold to actually turn it on, and then you can go ahead and use it. Now we went ahead and plugged in our cell phone. Excuse me, I mean my MP3 player. It looks so much like a cell phone, I forget that it's an MP3 player plus an app device. Now I'd like to show you, with the cable connected, it is charging and it's working great. You may use that same Type-C port that we just used to charge our device. You can use that to charge this as well. And it's going to be blinking, letting you know that it's charging. Overall, this is a very nice device. Now, I do want to point something out. Do not, it won't work if you have something that's too strong of a current for the plug. So keep in mind, use low watt plugs. And if we go down here, you can see the output. It's going to be the AC output at the bottom, 100 watts maxed, 80 watts rated. That means you probably don't want to plug anything in that's higher than 80 watts. It can handle 100 watts, but you probably don't, so you probably want to use something that is under or at 80 watts. Overall, I'm very impressed with the design. It's smooth. It's great for hiking trips, camping trips, and it packs a nice battery punch. So overall, I like this a lot. We're going to be putting this in our camping bag. It's great.